Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install adjustable carry weight mods into Stalker 2. This mod allows you to adjust the carry weight of your of your inventory items, and to install it go into this website, which is also in the description of the video, so you can easily click on the link down below. Then you can read it to know more about it, and go to the files tab. Then you can choose whether you want to install the 500 carry weight or adjustable carry weight. And the adjustable carry weight is also gonna merge there's gonna be an option to merge this mod with longer sprinting mod if you have it, so they will work together and not cause a conflict. So I'm gonna just choose the adjustable carry weight because I also have the longer sprinting mod, and click on manual download. Then if you are signed into the website, you can just click on slow download, and if you are not, you will see sign in button here, and you can click on sign in order to sign in. Then go back to this page and click on slow download, then wait for 5 seconds until the download starts, and after a short while it's downloaded, you can click on this button to show in folder. Then right click on the zip file and click on extract all extract. Then here you get the instructions, you can open them, and it says that you need to choose one of the files and place it in your mods folder. And if you install this while an existing save game, you must unequip or unequip something that changes your carry weight. So if you are opening a save game, then unequip all of the equipped files, equipped items, and equip it again so it changes. And here is either carry weight and sprint cost reduction, or just carry weight. So I'm gonna choose the carry weight and sprint cost reduction. Then you can choose which carry weight option you want. I'm gonna select 150, and we're gonna copy that into the Stalker 2 mods folder. So first let's open the mods folder. To do that, go to Steam app, then in your library find Stalker 2. Right click on it and click on properties, then installed files, browse, Stalker 2, content, packs, and find this folder. If you don't have it, that means that you haven't created it yet, and to create it, just right click anywhere on some free space and click on new folder, then name it ~mods. It may work without a tilde, but it's more likely to work with the tilde before mods, so that's how you should name it. But I already have this folder, so I'm gonna just delete it and open the mods folder. Then I'm gonna delete the sprint cost mod that I already have, so I can copy this one, which merges the half sprint cost into it. Just drag it into the mods folder, and now the mod is installed. You may have more mods than just one, but make sure that it doesn't cause a conflict, because some mods may cause a conflict with each other. So if they do, you'll need to decide which one to keep and which one to delete. And now, since it's copied, you can just go into your Steam library and play the game. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.